5703 San Francisco Tower, caution, wind turbulence. Following a heavy Boeing 747, short final 125.029, runway 28 left, cleared line.
Fly 28 left, Sky 6703.
Sky 6703, two arrivals prior to you reported a 1015 knot gain on final, unknown altitude.
Roger.
882, 125.029, runway 2 at right, clear for takeoff.
Take off to the right, runway 8.
19 heavy, do you experience any gain on final?
Landing roll complete now, so yes, there was a gain of about 20 knots on short final.
Good final, thank you sir. Roger 19 heavy, turn left, then kind of ground point 8.
Left ground point 8, yeah, that speed increase happens about 300 feet.
So 5703, previous arrival, heavy Boeing 747 reported 20 knot gain, 300 feet.
Roger.
San Francisco Tower, previous arrival, experienced a 10 to 20 knot gain on final. Somewhere around 300 feet, wind 24030, right 2 left, cleared land.
Left, cleared land.